Hey there, it's Marty from Heartjoy Subscription Box, and I'm here with the December 2020 unboxing. First up, it's the mini box. It's a little box with a lot to love and the perfect size for gifting. Every Heartjoy box includes digital downloads, and this quarter I've enclosed coloring pencils to go along with the printable coloring page, as well as wallpapers for your phone. Next up is the sticker pack. These are durable vinyl stickers that are weatherproof, scratch resistant, and dishwasher safe. So you can put them on your car bumper, your water bottle, your laptop, really anywhere that you'd like to add a little extra Heartjoy. Next up is a ceramic mandala mug. It's microwave and dishwasher safe. This quarter's mini box also includes a handmade clay ornament, great for your holiday tree or hanging anywhere in your home, and a collage painting ready to hang with a satin ribbon. And there you have it, the December 2020 mini box. Next up is the standard box. It has a bit of everything wonderful about Heartjoy. This box includes the coloring pencils and digital downloads, the vinyl sticker pack, the ceramic mandala mug, the handmade clay snowflake ornament, the collage painting, plus these hand-painted clay earrings featuring hypoallergenic ear wires. And there you have it, the December 2020 standard box. And now for the big box. It has enough Heartjoy to share with a friend. This box includes the coloring pencils and digital downloads, the vinyl sticker pack, the ceramic mandala mug, the handmade clay snowflake ornament, the collage painting, the hand-painted clay earrings, and a cloth face covering with artwork that coordinates with the collage painting. It has a nose wire, adjustable ear loops, and a pocket for a filter if you'd like to add one. And there you have it, the December 2020 big box. And now for the bonus box. It has all the things plus some exclusive bonuses. This box includes the coloring pencils and digital downloads, the vinyl sticker pack, the ceramic mandala mug, the handmade clay snowflake ornament, the collage painting, the cloth face covering, a slightly larger pair of hand-painted clay earrings, and a matching necklace. And the bonus box includes a second painting. This one is acrylic on birchwood block. It can stand on its own on a table, desk, or shelf, or it can be hung on a wall. And there you have it, the December 2020 bonus box. The December 2020 Heartjoy box has sold out, but you can sign up for next quarter's box at martytribble.com/Heartjoy. The next box ships March 1st of 2021. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next Heartjoy box unboxing video.